Good morning, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my office here in Garner, North Carolina. Thank you so much for deciding to take a look at my video. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel so that every time I make a video, you will be the first to see it. So anyway, today. I'm trading the S&P 500. As you can see here, it shows the ES 622 contract, June 22, on a 10-minute chart. So what that means is every single vertical bar that you see here is for 10 minutes. And as you can see here, these are the times, actually from like midnight all the way up until now, well, 10 o'clock, something like that, 10:44. I'm doing this like right, like live or whatever. But anyway, as you can see, the market uh, towards yesterday and up until this morning, midnight to 3 a.m., it's kind of up and it continues to kind of go down. As you can see here, at between 9 and 10 o'clock, actually 9:30 to 10 o'clock, it just drops like a rock. See there? Look at that. Like 42.75 just drops to low, very low levels here, okay? Um, and this is right at the open. Okay, so when you see that, you would think, okay, gosh, you can lose a whole lot of money. But I will tell you, when you trade the S&P 500, um, when the market is dropping, you make, to me, in my opinion, you make a lot more money when the market drops than it does when it goes up. It seems to drop faster than it goes up. So in this case here, it was a very good situation. I have a course that teaches you exactly how to trade this thing when the market drops like this. It's really crazy. Um, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to do a really quick test to see how much I could actually make in a half an hour. I got to my charts kind of late, just lost track of time, but I was able to actually start around 9:30 at the open. And so from 9:30 until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I was able to make $450, and I'll show it to you right here. Where is this? Oh, right here. Okay, see there? That's me, Brian. I'm covering my ID. I mean, like the number up, my ID for personal reasons. But you can see 475. Actually, I did 450, but I added another trade, so the actual balance right there, well, actually $410 for today, net. So that's not bad for 30 minutes of work. As you can see, the market is just kind of going crazy, actually, going up and down, up and up and down. So that's basically it, guys. If you're interested in this, I've said this before. I have a couple of courses. The first one here is the SP 500, which is shows you techniques on how to do that. That's a system where you can trade multiple times per day. It gives you a couple of good signals at the beginning of the day, and then you can take that same principle and you can pretty much trade all day if you want to do that. If you have a job, a 9 to 5 job, and you can't trade during normal business hours, that is perfectly fine. The method that you can use with the SP 500, you can trade before you go to work or when you get home from work. Because with the SP 500, there's always a lot of volume, and you're not looking to make a whole bunch of points. All you're looking to do is to make small, I call them not home runs, but bunts and singles. Okay, you want to get a couple of ticks here, a couple of ticks there. That adds up fairly quickly. In my course, I have a chart that shows you how to scale and how you can really do and make a ton of money over I think it's like a 24 week period of time. And if you simply follow that, it's very conservative. Again, I teach this course in a conservative fashion where you're not getting, 5 points per trade. I'm talking like 2 ticks per trade, a half point per trade, but that adds up, and it's very safe safe trades for your money. Okay, which is very important. The next thing I have is another course is for the E-mini Dow. Now that course is you make one trade per day. All right. That course is, I mean, it really works. When I first started this, first made the course, I wanted to make sure that it worked. So I did a test, and I've mentioned this before. I traded for 45 trading days. 44 out of the 45 days there, it actually won. Had a winning trade, and that was between 8 to 10 points. And that equates to one contract. That's between $40 to $50 per contract. Okay. Again, I'm not making any claims or any promises that this can happen to you, but it happened here, and that sort of thing. And so this does actually work. Both these systems actually work. Okay, very very nicely. So uh, either one or both, I recommend you get both of them because you can kind of use both of them at the same time. You can really make a lot of money. You can really build up your account over a short period of time. But you got to get the knowledge. You really do. And here it is right here. I have two. There are two YouTube videos. They're still videos. They're kind of there's no animation. Nothing. It's just me simply talking and talking and share information with you. At the very end, it tells you to get in contact with me and send me an email, and I'll send you some written information on how you can get both of these courses. So these are the two websites slash videos. You go there, just go to those websites, what have you. It takes you directly to a YouTube video. Each video is different. Okay, the one at the very top, that's for the SP 500. The secret trading system, the one at the bottom, is for the E-mini Dow. Okay, so I recommend you look at both of those videos. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Brian. That's my number there. And I'll leave the links in the comment section below as well. So anyway, it's a very, very good day today. I think I'm going to shut it down and do some other stuff. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, please give me a call. But make sure you watch those two videos to get a full understanding of what this is all about. Okay? Thanks very much and have a great day. Bye.